Hey, how's it going? Sorry if I sound a little bit distorted and weird and I'm sniffing and all this other crap because I have hay fever and it's just killing me. Yeah, as you can hear. Anyways, I got Far Cry. Yeah. Just picked it up today. And it was released today, I think. Yeah, on the 29th. Picked it up, or 23rd, whatever the date is today. Anyways, Thursday. Because Little Big Planet got delayed, I thought, yeah, Far Cry 2. Anyways, doing an unboxing. As you can see, got the collector's edition. Don't know why. It was probably because I picked it up about the same price of the normal one. So, which is good, so I got mine as well. And let's do this thing. Yeah, mother. I'll put that to the side. Anyways, okay, as you can see, Far Cry 2. Okay, let's get this baby open. They're pretty... Got it from JB High Five, if anyone would like to get it. It's about 124 bucks. If you pick it up at like some GameSpot or EB or something, you probably pick it up at the same price. So might as well. Sorry if there's a bit of noise. Shouldn't have done this before, but it's like covered in sticky tape. Take that off, and then you can do it. Yeah. Anyways, that's my weird Arnie impersonation. Okay. Throw that in the bag. And boom! That slips off. Anyways, looks alright. Very nice. Slow that a little bit more. A little bit higher, sorry. And let's get this baby open. If we can find the freaking hole for it. It's up here. Yeah. Oh. Maybe it slides out. Oh, it's a... look at that. It's a box. Oh, it's out of wood. Who wouldn't have realized? Very nice. That way. Got the Far Cry art book. Yeah. Smells like new paper. Like that. Anyway, put that to the side. And what they say is you get, what it says on the back actually, the Far Cry Collector's Edition map of 50 kilometers. I don't know why I got this game. Haven't even played the first one. But reading the reviews, they say it's completely different. Has nothing to do with anything with old Far Cry. Ooh. A t-shirt. Very nice. Not too sure I'll wear this outside. Does it suit me? FC2. Bloody hell. And I needed a new t-shirt, did I? I'm going to put that to a side, or back in the box. Looks so ugly. What the hell is this? Oh, okay. The making of Far Cry. And how do you open it? It just slips out. Oh. And it goes back inside. Anyways, not too sure I'll watch it, but if I'm bored I will. And Far Cry the game. You don't need to see inside because I probably bored you to death already. But I'll load this up and let's get some first time gameplay going on.